I don't know why this boy got all these bottles in his room. Hey, Momo. Hey, Ron. Uh-oh, I know that look. What's wrong? Oh, it's nothing. Hey, say, have Peter been acting strange to you lately? Peter? No. Well, the reason why I asked, I found a whole lot of bottles of Robitussin in his room. Robitussin? That's all? Maybe Momo, he got a cold. Huh? Must be some cold. Why would you need 5 bottles of Robitussin? If it's that bad, you just need to go to the doctor. Maybe you don't like doctors. If Robitussin's working fine for him, I'm all for it. Something just not sitting right with me. I'm sure everything will be fine. It's just Robitussin. Yeah, but I found him while I was sweeping under his bed. Why would he keep him under there? Well, you know how this house is. Everybody want to steal and, Well, anyway, I'm going to get to the bottom of this. Lishi? Yeah, Momo, what is it? I'm concerned about Peter, and I want you to keep close watch on him. Why? Is he sick? I'll say I found 5 Robitussin bottles in his room. Momo, no, are you serious? Yes, I am. Now, tell me what it means. Girl, I want you to tell me. I didn't want you to start chanting. Spit it out, spill the beans. Momo, please don't say anything. This is my house, and I need to know what's going on in my house. Well, it's like this. There's this thing that's going around called Skittles. You mean like the kind you eat? Shut up. You always thinking about food. Skittles is the process of drinking cough syrup to get high. No, Jesus Lord, say it ain't so. Oh my. Now we have to go easy on him to find out if he's really doing this. Okay, alright. Y'all ready? Peter! Yeah, Momo. Peter, how dare you? Do you know you could have overdosed and died? Peter, what's wrong with you? Do you want to just waste your life away? I mean, that is like so stupid. Boy, I just don't know what's wrong with you. I don't know what's wrong with you. You have got to be kidding me. Peter, you come here right now.